Hi, my name's Mitchell. I'm the manager of Mechanics Direct, and this is another episode of Entry Level Collector Car. Today we have a real fun car. We have Herbie the Love Bug. So this is a 62 Beetle. It has the 1600 engine. This vehicle was restored out in Hollywood, California for the movie. So back in 2005, they did the movie Herbie Reloaded, and that was with Lindsay Lohan and Michael Keaton and Matt Dillon. This car was actually in the movie. I believe it was number 27. Did some real stunts in the movie, going down on two wheels, and just a real cool car. So out in Hollywood, they completely restored the car. They rebuilt the engine. They beefed up the suspension and wheels. And now we have the car here at our shop. So if you're in the area, certainly come down and take a peek. So I'm going to open up the door so you can get a good look of the interior of the car. Everything has been restored. On the glove box, you see the signatures from the people in the movie. Lindsay Lohan and Michael Keaton, Matt Dillon. It's a fully documented car and drives very nice. When we swing over here, I'm going to put this down, we'll swing over to the engine compartment. So in the movie Herbie Fully Loaded, they needed a stronger engine. So it's a 1600 engine, but they souped it up a little bit to do the tricks. I'm going to open up the engine compartment here, and they did a really nice job with the restoration. So again, it's a very nice driving car. If somebody is a real Herbie collector or a Volkswagen enthusiast, I would recommend you swing by the shop. We're in Lowell, Mass, to take a peek at this beauty. But just, very cool, drives very nice. And again, it is a fully documented car from the movie. Just a real neat car to drive down the road. Everybody recognizes Herbie. So this vehicle is in our showroom floor. It should be here for about another month. So if you're interested, you just want to take some pictures, you want to come by and see the car that's in the movie, I would definitely recommend that you stop by. We're on Middlesex Street in Lowell. And again, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next week. Okay, one cool tidbit of information from what we've been told. That when they were doing the filming of the movie, in the ashtray there's actually cigarette butts with Lindsay Lohan's lipstick on it, and the cigarettes are still in the ashtray. So if somebody buys the car, then you'll actually get a little memento from the movie from Lindsay. Okay, well, thank you very much.